friends, we're going to be reading Little Blue Truck. Play on a board edition. Little blue truck went down the road. Beep, said Blue to the big green toad. Toad said croak and winked an eye when little blue truck went rolling by. Put it on the board. Good job. Jeremiah, you want to put the froggy on the board? Here, put it on the board. Sheep said baa. Cow said moo. Oink said a piggy. Beep said blue. Cluck said a chicken and her chick said peep. Ma said a goat and Blue said beep. Neigh said a horse. Quack said a duck. Beep said the friendly little blue truck. Good job, Lorenzo. Room went the duck around a curve. He saw a puddle and he tried to swerve into the mud with a big fat truck. And his big important wheels got stuck. Yeah, put it in there. Put it on the board. His heavy dump truck tires were sunk down deep in muck and mire. Honk, cried the dump. He sounded scared, but nobody heard or nobody cared. Yay. Then into the mud, bump, 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 came Little Blue Truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Help, 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 cried Little Blue Truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. The hen came up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed that little blue truck. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? All together now. 1, 2, 3. One last push and the trucks were free. Put it on the board. Yay. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue, who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Quack, oink, baa, moo, cluck, peep, neigh, croak, ma.